Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Sector USA. Why who choose to skip new and Z and named new COVID-19 variant as Omicron? The naming decision went viral on Twitter, with some netizens questioning the method in which the name was chosen and whether the National Health Agency had done so in order to avoid antagonizing China. The emergence of the Omicron variant of COVID-19 has scientists worked countries imposing travel bans, financial markets crashing, and the internet talking about how the new name was chosen. On Friday, the World Health Organization in their meeting decided to call the new strain B.1.529 Omicron and deemed it a variant of concern owing to a large number of mutations, some of which are concerning. The naming decision quickly went viral on Twitter, with some netizens questioning the method in which the name was chosen and whether the National Health Agency had done so in order to avoid antagonizing China. For the unversed, this is what it means. Typically, the WHO has been naming new virus strains as per Greek alphabet. The method was chosen by the Global Health Body on 31st May 2021. The idea was to ensure the variants and easy to say and remember labels. The naming systems was also designed to avoid geographically stigma being assigned to a COVID-19 variant. Going by the WHO method, the new strain that was first found in South Africa should have been either named Nu or Z. Internet pundits and politicians speculated that the group of skipped Nu to avoid confusion with the word new. They also added that Z was skipped in an effort to avoid antagonizing China and its leader Xi Jinping. United States Senator Ted Cruz retweeted it and who cited a WHO sources saying Z has skipped to avoid stigmatizing a region. If the WHO is scared of the Chinese Communist Party, how can they be trusted to call them out next time they are trying to cover up a catastrophic global pandemic? Cruz wrote in his tweet calling out Beijing, which has already come under massive scrutiny over its role in the outbreak of the virus. Epidemiologist Martin Kultrop, a professor of medicine at Harvard Medical School, took look to Twitter discussing the naming of the new strain. He suggested that the WHO had jumped the alphabet and named the new variant Omicron in order to avoid the potential situation of ever having to call a coronavirus variant the gene strain. Other Twitter users also jumped into the discussion, with Jonathan Trolley, a professor at George Washington University Law School and a noted attorney, tweeted, "He who must not be named. It appears the WHO has skipped the next Greek letter after Nu to name the new variant. The next letter is Z. The concern is that WHO is again avoiding any discomfort for the Chinese government, so they named it Omicron." Another wrote, "All I can say is going from new to Omicron to omit Z is very telling about how much away China has over the WHO these days."